Okay.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Welcome to the Ponce de Leon Hotel.
Thank you very much.
Is this your first visit here?
It is.
Oh, good. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
Okay, if I can get your name.
My name is Svetlana.
Svetlana. How are you, Svetlana?
Oh, very nice. How are you?
I'm good. And Svetlana, where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Wow, all the way from Russia.
Yes.
Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you very much.
And welcome to St. Petersburg, Florida.
Yes.
Okay, Svetlana, yes, I have your reservation here. If I can see your ID and your credit card, please.
Sure. I haven't got ID, I've got a passport.
Okay, that works very well.
So, that's it.
Okay,
The last page.
the last page.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes, that's me.
Yes, that's a very pretty picture.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, Svetlana, I have you here. I have you booked on for Queen. I have you booked in from Friday, August 1st, and checking out August 2nd.
That's right.
That's correct, okay. And it's a non-smoking room.
Very nice. I
Okay.
don't smoke.
All right, good. And if I can get your credit card, we take payment now.
Yes, sure.
Your total for your day's stay is $91.56, and that includes tax.
That's wonderful.
Okay. Okay, everything is set. Let me get you your room key.
Okay.
Just give you this one. This is your room key. You're in room 209.
Okay.
The elevator's on your right. You're on the second floor, and you are towards your left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I just wanted to ask, did you drive here? Did you find parking okay?
Yes, that's right.
You did? Oh, you found parking?
Actually, it was quite hard, but
Yes.
I needed to read the signs.
Okay, because usually during the weekday, Monday through Friday, parking is free from 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. Otherwise, you have to feed the meter. So the other option is that we have a parking structure catty corner to the hotel. It costs between $3 to $6 to park for 24 hours, and it's very easy to get there. It's Second Street and Second Street and 2nd Avenue South.
That's wonderful.
Yes.
So can I leave the car for the whole day, or I need to just, or I can go here and there?
No, each time you go back into the structure, you have to pay again. So if you feel like you're not using your car, go ahead and park, and that's $6 for 24 hours. If you leave and you go back again, it's another $6.
Thank you so much for information.
You're welcome, and thank you for choosing the Ponce de Leon Hotel.
Thank you.
All right.